Now, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has given yet another clear indicator that he will soon, very soon, call the date for the general election.
My Jamaican family, the time is drawing near. My Jamaican people, you have a strategic government, a disciplined government, a government that does things systematically and in order. We don't believe in chaka-chaka, and we never, ever, ever, ever look chaka-chaka. When I put my hand out to you to shake it, you don't have to think twice. You can take my hand. You know that we are clean-hearted and clean hands, and we bring clean words to you. And we give you knowledge and information on which you can make a decision.
And that clean hands comment is both literal and figurative, I imagine, because I've seen a picture with what appears to be, let me put it that way, a leader, a political leader, with his hand down his pants, the back of his pants. So that play on clean hands, I imagine the Prime Minister means in terms of integrity, and clean hands in terms of not putting his hand down the back of his pants. Yeah? And if you notice, the Prime Minister has been taking these kind of jabs lately, but he's doing it with a certain finesse. I'm not calling nobody name, but you are left in no doubt as to who he's talking to or about. Yeah. Dr. Holness was addressing a really, really big crowd at the Juliet Holness's East Rural St. Andrew constituency conference last night, and the comments come amid speculation he'll name the date for the next general election at a mass meeting in Halfway Tree on Sunday. Now, Dr. Holness told his audience that unlike others, he knows he's not entitled to any position of power in this country.
Some people behave like they own Jamaica. It's just a matter that time come for them. It's not a matter that they work for it. It's not a matter that they deserve it. It's not a meritocracy. It's just that time, the effluxion of time. It's just so. But we have never